There's nothing better, more gratifying and prideful than having all of you, many of our most loved, cherished, favorite people on this great planet, join Natalie, Cameron, and our families in this celebration of matrimony. We're also pleased to have you here with us.
He called me up one day and he said, "Hey Steve, I love Natalie and I want to come over and talk to you." And so he drove about an hour to come and see me, and he asked me for anyway, he asked me for her hand in marriage, and I thought that was really awesome.
These guys wanted a special year for you. It's been a test. In this beautiful setting here at the Wellshire on Colorado Boulevard in Colorado, for those out of state, it's kind of a great place to be wed. Why is marriage important? Two individuals become one legally. Resources are joined. In the words of the singer and songwriter Van Morrison, it's a marvelous night for a moon dance with an angel of the first degree.
Natalie, you know that you have a guy that at the end of the day, whether you've had a good day or a bad day, you have a man who can make you smile and make you laugh. And that's really the true definition of a man, is somebody who cares about their loved ones and puts their needs of their loved ones in front of their needs.
I just remember getting picked up from the airport, and Cam made Natalie laugh like the way she laughs with me, and I was like, who the hell is this guy over here? And I am so blessed that you two have found each other, because my girl deserves the world, and I know you'll give it to her.
Punky, today marks the second best day of my life. The first was when I got to marry you at the Virginia Beach County Courthouse. It is so wild to think that our story began a few months into my venture in California. The Whaler in Venice will forever be the place where the beautiful Sicilian girl in the leopard print shirt stole my heart. We've become the perfect team that cannot be wavered.
I love you, like truly in my bones. Every single part of me just really, really loves you. It's been quite the journey that has led us here, but somehow I always knew that this day would come. There's very few things in life that I'm absolutely sure of, and you're one of them.
We'll experience highs and lows, but there isn't anything that will keep me from supporting you and loving you. We'll now begin our life together, and I am lucky to have you by my side. You're my voice of reason, my realist, and my biggest supporter.
It's an honor to simply know you, and it's not lost on me how lucky I am that you chose me. I truly have never known a better friend, a better person, or a better partner. You're one in a million. Everything about you is larger than life, and the way you care about people is unmatched.
Even on your bad days, when you're frustrated, I vow to always give you my best effort, my support, and most importantly, my unconditional love from this moment until my last breath.
For as long as I can remember, you've been my calm, my constant, my comfort, and I've always been your chaos. I'm the luckiest girl in the world to get to go through life with someone who virtually has no bad days. And while I promise I won't have any myself, I know that the bad days won't be nearly as bad as long as I'm with you. 3 years, a breakup, and a ton of lessons learned. We become the best versions of ourselves, and it's with each other.
I do love to see the love that Natalie has shared with Cam and how she pushes him, and you two have shared a bond that has grown stronger and stronger with every experience that you've shared and experienced.
Who are these two folks? If we know Cam, we see an industrious, confident, and capable young man, a wonderful son, brother, and friend, tall and good-looking and inquisitive. That little muscle baby, he's grown up now. And we know Natalie. We see beauty and a big heart. She's quick to laugh, she's hardworking, and giving in her teaching career and in her life. I think that this is probably the phrase, she sets herself a path and she goes.
Everywhere I've been, everywhere we've been, from Wyoming to California to Colorado to now Virginia, everybody always has the same impression of Cam. And that's how you know you've met a guy who wears his heart on his sleeve.
She's loyal, loving, resilient, and very, very real and honest. Maybe sometimes too much. I admire who you are, always have, and I love the woman who you have become.
One more thing, and this is probably not typical for a wedding ceremony, but I'd like everybody to acknowledge there's a couple of guys in the audience here, my son included, that are in the military. These boys are protecting us, so let's party.
With much love, I introduce to all of you Mr. and Mrs. Cameron Walker. You may kiss the bride.
Please be kind, supportive, respectful, uncompromisingly loyal, unconditionally loving, and accepting, and do practice non-negotiable trust, faith, and devotion to one another every single minute of every day.